Hi, I'm Dr. Joanne Gordon. Welcome to the Metabolic Boost program. I am so glad you're here. This program is a 6-week program, and it's designed to help you learn about your metabolism and all different ways for weight loss. Weight loss is kind of a complicated subject in regards that there's so many different philosophies and diets and things like that, but I feel like I put together a really great program for you in 6 different modules, with the first one talking about insulin resistance. The second module talks about fasting and all different types of fasting and how fasting works, and also hormones and weight loss. So hormones are very important for your weight and getting them in balance. Sleep and how sleep affects your weight loss. Toxins and different toxins in our environment that affect weight loss. And then, of course, the mind. And so mindfulness is so important to have our thoughts in alignment, and we're going to talk about that as well. So thank you for joining. I'm looking forward to you having a great time and learning lots. And if you have any feedback, let me know. So thanks so much and enjoy the program.